Simon, before we get into the game, obviously you've just signed, you must be made up to join the club.
Yeah, I'm happy to be playing again. I took a bit of time out after I stopped playing at TNS, and I've known Shosh for a few years. He's given me a call and see if I'd be interested, and I come down to train last week and then decided I wanted to play again. So
Yeah, and was the manager the main inspiration for coming out of retirement?
yeah, I think it was. I've known him for a while. He asked me to come when I finished, and I wasn't sure if I wanted to play again. But then time goes on and you start missing it. So as soon as he texted a few weeks ago, I said yeah, I'd come in, and I'm looking forward to playing again.
Yeah, and getting into the game tonight, you obviously played in centre mid. It was a good performance from yourself, but that's obviously not your preferred position. What do you think you can sort of offer to the team?
I don't know, it was a bit of a shock when he put me in there, to be honest. He phoned me up and said he was going to put me in centre midfield, and like I said, I'm just happy to be playing again, but I'm sure when a few of the lads are fit, they'll end up going back there, and hopefully he'll put me right back where I prefer to play.
Yeah, and it was obviously nice to get your first win under your belt as well.
Yeah, I think it was a good performance. We done well. I think Gresford done well. They battled well. You know, they didn't give us many chances, but in the end, I think we had a little bit of quality towards the end, and hopefully we got thankfully we got the goal.
And just finally, looking forward to what's your aims on a personal note and also collectively with the team this season?
I think the main thing is promotion. I think this club deserves to be in the Welsh Prem. It's one of the main reasons why I come here, to help them get promoted. And personally, it's just to play as many games as I can. You know, I had a few injuries last year, so if I can stay fit and, you know, hopefully I can play quite a few games and enjoy my football again.